What are you doing? That's gonna end up in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch.
The what?
The Great Pacific Garbage Patch. It's so bad for the environment. I mean, look at the dead turtle over there. Come with me, I'll tell you all about it.
Okay.
The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is located from the west coast of North America to Japan. It is a constant spin of debris controlled by the warm water from the South Pacific and meets with cooler waters from the Arctic. The debris stays together by the North Pacific subtropical gyre, which is a system of circular ocean currents formed by wind patterns and the rotation of the Earth.
The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is almost entirely made of microplastics that aren't always visible to the naked eye. It is so dense that it blocks sunlight from reaching the plankton and algae, who are the primary producers. They are also the beginning of the food chain, so if they are not able to produce, then the entire food web is disturbed.
As stated before, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch does not allow primary producers to convert light or chemical energy into organic matter. This greatly disturbs the food web. Larger animals often mistake trash in the ocean as a food source. For example, the favorite food of a loggerhead sea turtle is a jellyfish, which looks extremely similar to a floating plastic bag. Seals and other larger marine animals get tangled in commercial fishing nets where they drown.
Not only is the Great Pacific Garbage Patch bad for the environment, it is also hazardous to human health. When the plastics break down by photodegradation, they produce chemicals which can then cause health problems. Also, these chemicals are consumed by marine life, which we may consume later on.
The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is so far from the coastline of the country that no one will fund or provide time to clean it up. Large nets have been suggested, but again, that will also catch and kill animals.
So what can you do? First, you can eat less fish from the ocean. The less fish needed to be caught, the less fishing nets in the water that will eventually end up in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. However, the most substantial thing you can do is recycle.
Would you like more information on the Great Pacific Garbage Patch? Visit the following websites to learn more and see what else you could do to decrease the amount of plastic in the ocean.
This video was brought to you by 4 bored college kids. No animals were harmed in the making of this video.